forget.
Yeah.
I don't like it toasted.
But
Regular.
sure.
Sure. You want to step around and we'll What?
Man, what the hell?
Hey, my waffles.
Didn't work?
You have issues, Greg.
Failed prank.
Failed prank. Sure.
Hold on, you can't put your milk on this.
That was enough milk. More than enough milk. Can't cook that bacon like that. It's not gonna cook evenly.
Don't worry about that bacon.
It's not gonna work.
Be just fine.
So we're just in here at the kitchen with George Lopez. We're about to get some canned tamales. You say George Lopez does eat canned tamales, ladies and gentlemen. George, where's the can opener?
At your mom's.
Oh, well, I don't think I'm there. So, do you have another one? That's interesting.
Why would it be up in the cupboard?
I don't know, because it's not anywhere else. I checked where it's supposed to be. Holy shit. Where was that at?
You know where it was at.
Where was that?
You tell me.
I didn't see it.
If this is an Americanized version of tamales, I don't know what it is.
Just talking about it. Hormel makes it. It's supposed to be good.
What?
Oh, that makes a difference.
What?
Hormel makes it.
I thought they was, yeah. Hey.
What is it?
It's like water.
Oh, this is how you can serve. See that?
Ew.
Do you have any crackers up there?
It's gonna be really good.
That's gross.
What you mean?
Someone walk the chamber, put that milk away.
Perfect. Try it. 40% water.
Here, throw it in there.
Try it with 40% water. Delicious.
Damn, man, we've got crackers.
You got them Doritos, right? Where them Doritos at?
Let me see one.
See what $1.50 was worth. It's like, where's that old Doritos bag? Just throw them in there. And then the creatures won't know the difference. They're very fun. You hold that orange right bean.
Damn it.
Gambit? He's like the X-Men character? Gambit? Try to possibly get somewhere in here. Probably took off that shirt while you're trying to eat and cook. You're cooking bacon, you're wearing a nice shirt. Like, that's very smart.
I don't even want to cook.
Get out the kitchen. Get out of Chef Gary's kitchen, George.
Eat my chip.
Yep, she's gonna have it now.
Oh my god.
She's gonna get mange. Paige is gonna have this temper.
She's got it. She was holding it.
Cheyenne?
Yeah.
Cheyenne was the carrier?
Holding it in her arms.
Oh. You guys are pretty good. Firewall.
George, your tamale ready!
You idiot. You son idiot.
He's like, George, can I call you George G?
No, but let's go to
It looks like it says